Hello guys, welcome to another UK Car Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at the Bicycle Autocycle number 1 playing cards in green and purple. Now as you can see, I've not opened this box, so I've not opened the tin. I don't know what's inside, but it was sent to me by an awesome guy out in California who sent me the Radical 80s. If you'd watched that review, you'd have seen when I'd opened the box. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty cool. Bicycle playing cards did have a price tag over it, but it's peeled that off. Collector's tin, 2 premium decks, green and purple. Yeah, United States Playing Card Company. Autocycle number 1, playing cards, green and purple. Bicycle subsidiary information on the bottom. Collector's tin, 2 premium decks. Same again on there. The back has a picture of the front and back of the deck, but we'll get into that once we open the box. Let's get that out of the way. Bicycle playing cards. Now, I really like this tin. Very, very nice. It's obviously the perfect size for 2 decks. So, ta-da! Oh, that's so nice. Oh, I don't really want to open them, to be honest. I really like these. Metallic, which is awesome. I think I'm going to go with the purple. I don't know. I might leave this up as a little teaser while I debate whether I want to open them or not, because I only have one of this tin. It was cheap, don't get me wrong. I think it was like $4.99, but no, I'm going to open it. Do it for the channel. Do it for the viewers. Do it for the people. There'll be people that have bought this from Target in their sale. Let me pause the video while I get into it. So we're in. So yeah, I wasn't going to open them. I'm still kind of in two minds, but I've taken the plastic off anyway, so we might as well. But it'll be handy for people that thought about buying this, or maybe have bought this for their collection and not wanting to open it. And it also helps because a lot of places, they might be sold out at $4.99 for 2 decks in a tin. You know, there may not be many about. So it's kind of, yeah, I'm kind of doing a service for the people. But look at that, it's got a really nice seal on it. You can see that metallic finish a bit more. There we go. Very, very sexy. Air cushion finish made in the USA. Same again. 2016, United States Playing Card Company. Standard, retro face. I'm going to be very careful about opening this, so I'm going to pause the video and do it because I don't want to muck up. I usually end up ripping it just to get in there quickly, and I don't want to do that. So 2 seconds. So the seal's been cut, open, deck out, cut, folded, back in for dramatic effect. So let's just get straight in there. So bicycle subsidiary information again underneath there, common with a lot of the bicycle decks. Let's get the cards out. So we've got a Joker here, a Joker in colour there. The bicycle, get a seat at the table. Bicycle Autocycle number 1. So this is a bit of information about the deck if you want to pause it and have a look. Let's get the back design there. And we're into the cards. So these looked like standard faces. So that's a very standard Bicycle 808 symbol in the middle. But if you look at the indices there, they're slightly smaller than normal. And that's because they're not standard faces, which is interesting. This might be how they were back, because I don't know how old this original design was, or whether this is a modern design made to look old. But they're not standard, which is pretty cool. Yeah, a lot smaller indices. The pips are different. If you look at here, it's got the curve on the stalk of the, I don't know if the stalk's a word, but the spades, and that's more like a T. And that's pretty cool. I like that. Not quite standard. The colours are slightly different. Again, smaller indices, different shaped diamond. Normally it's slightly elongated. That's more of a sort of skewed square. Very cool, very nice. I like it. It's a lot darker red as well. It's like a maroon. I don't know if I can get this to focus enough for you to be able to see. It's like a maroon, almost brown. Back to black. These stalks again, the stem, It's more of a T. That's pretty cool. Matches with the ace, which is really nice. Then to the hearts. And again, this is slightly sort of squished. It's more elongated on a standard deck. Very cool. So looking at the backs, we've got two very retro looking motorcycles there. Probably over 100 years old. This actually a tricycle, which is very, very cool. It's got that purpley coloured back. It's not metallic and it's not as purple as the back of the tuck case. It's got like a purple hue to it. This is more of like a grayscale in the background. But at the right angle you can see that the cards are purple, they're just not as purple. But for handling, again, perfect bicycle, United States Playing Card Company, air cushion finish, exactly what I'd expect. And let's see how these indices look. Quite hard to see. Spaced a little bit further than I'd like from the edge, but I mean, you can spread them out a bit more. And you can see them well. It's a nice deck, really nice. Feels great, looks great. As I said, I didn't want to open it, but I felt I had to. For any loyal viewers watching. But yeah, I'm really happy. It's a really nice deck. For $4.99, you cannot go wrong. I mean, you'd be mad not to get them. They have the same finish and feel, if not better than like a deck of standards. So for anyone that was thinking of buying a deck of cards, just getting these to use as playing cards is a bargain. And that's available at Target all over the States as far as I'm aware. But yeah, I mean, I'm really happy with them. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.